Imagine having youthful, soft hands that defy age and environmental damage. Hands that feel like silk and grab attention for all the right reasons. Well, it's time to bid farewell to dry, wrinkled hands, because today, we'll unveil the absolute best remedy to transform your hands into a canvas of radiant beauty. Let's start by understanding the root causes of dry and wrinkled hands. Our hands are constantly exposed to various elements that strip them of their natural moisture and elasticity. Environmental factors like cold weather, sun exposure, and frequent hand washing can all contribute to this issue. But did you know that even seemingly harmless activities like cooking, cleaning, and gardening can take a toll on your hands? That's right, folks. The chemicals and products we use daily can slowly but surely dehydrate and age our hands. Now, before we dive into the remedy, let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have hands that look decades younger than their actual age? Well, the secret lies in their skincare routine and the ingredients they use. Enter the absolute best remedy for dry and wrinkled hands, a powerful combination of natural oils, butters, and extracts that work together to restore moisture, boost elasticity, and revitalize your hands. At the heart of this remedy is a luxurious blend of oils like argan, jojoba, and rosehip. These oils are packed with essential fatty acids and antioxidants that deeply nourish and protect your skin from environmental stressors. But that's not all. We've also included rich, emollient butters like shea and cocoa butter to create a barrier that locks in moisture and prevents water loss. These butters are like a protective blanket for your hands, keeping them soft and supple all day long. And let's not forget about the power of botanical extracts. We've carefully selected ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and green tea for their soothing and rejuvenating properties. These natural wonders work to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and promote a healthy, vibrant complexion. Now, I know what you're thinking, but how do I use this magical remedy? Well, let me break it down for you in simple steps. Step 1. Start with clean, dry hands. Make sure to remove any traces of dirt, makeup, or oils. Step 2. Scoop a generous amount of the remedy into your palms and rub your hands together to warm it up. Step 3. Gently massage the remedy into your hands, paying special attention to the areas prone to dryness and wrinkles, like the knuckles and the backs of your hands. Step 4. For an extra dose of hydration, you can apply a thin layer of the remedy to your hands and cover them with cotton gloves or socks overnight. This will allow the oils and butters to deeply penetrate and work their magic while you sleep. Step 5. Repeat this process daily for best results, and watch as your hands transform before your very eyes. But wait, there's more. This remedy isn't just for dry and wrinkled hands. Oh no, my friends. It's a true multitasker that can be used on other areas of your body that need a little extra love and attention. Rough elbows? No problem. Cracked heels? Say goodbye. Dry cuticles? They'll be a thing of the past. This remedy is like a fountain of youth for your entire body, restoring radiance and softness from head to toe. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds too good to be true. But let me assure you, the results speak for themselves. Just take a look at these before and after pictures, and you'll see the incredible transformations that are possible with this remedy. Who needs expensive anti-aging treatments when you can have a spa-like experience right in the comfort of your own home? But wait, there's more. This remedy isn't just a game-changer for your hands, it's also an eco-friendly and wallet-friendly solution. No more wasting money on harsh chemicals or contributing to environmental damage. This natural remedy is kind to both your skin and the planet. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of nature and unlock the secret to youthful, radiant hands with this absolute best remedy. Say goodbye to dry, wrinkled hands and hello to a newfound confidence that comes with having hands that look and feel their absolute best. Remember, this remedy is suitable for all skin types and ages. Whether you're a busy professional, a hard-working parent, or someone who simply wants to take better care of themselves, this remedy is here to transform your skincare routine. And for those with mobility challenges or dexterity issues, this remedy is easy to apply and can be used with the assistance of a caregiver or loved one. Because everyone deserves to experience the joy of soft, rejuvenated hands. So, there you have it, folks. The absolute best remedy for dry and wrinkled hands, unveiled in all its glory. But don't just take my word for it. Try it for yourself and experience the magic firsthand. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and by nourishing and caring for our bodies, we radiate confidence and self-love. So, let's embark on this journey together, one nourished hand at a time, and embrace the transformative power of nature's finest ingredients. Stay tuned for more amazing skincare tips and tricks, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that will leave you feeling pampered and empowered. Until next time, take care of yourselves and those beautiful hands.